A jigsaw puzzle.
Loopy is doing a picture puzzle.
It's all done. Where should I put it? Right.
Dum 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 dee dum dum dee dum dee dum 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 dee dum. Dum dum. Oh, Loopy.
Are you going fishing?
Yes. Do you want to come along?
Yes. Just wait a minute. All right. Oh, Loopy's not home. Should we wait inside? Oh. Give me! Wow, it's a picture of a flower. I won't show you.
Oh no! All the puzzle pieces are scattered now.
What do you think? This time? Today was a lot of fun, Poby, let's go to my place.
Yes, it was.
Poby, come on in.
Sure. Hi, Pororo, Crong.
Do-do-do-do-do. Hi. We were waiting for you. Right? Oh, welcome. I have something to show you. This I made. Pororo, Crong. Oh, Loopy, I'm really sorry. We messed it up. Oh, it's okay this time. I'll forgive you. Oh! Instead, you have to put the picture back to the way it was. Oh. You have to start with the corner. It's all done! Good job, friends! This is a puzzle. That means the picture wasn't broken? Yes.
But you should always be careful.
Right.
Today, Pororo and Crong learned how to put a puzzle together.